Hi, M6083. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, sir, ma'am. My name is Yulidet El Quezon. I am 34 years old. I am ex-abroad in Saudi Arabia within 2 years and 3 months finished contract. I have two kids, all boys, 11 and 4 years old. I am Roman Catholic.
And you are
I
highest
am,
educational attainment.
sir,
Highest educational attainment.
I am undergraduate college,
Okay. What course?
political science, sir.
Okay. Um, Tell me about your experience as a helper.
My experience as a helper in Saudi Arabia is my my employer are very nice, and they always smile at me, speak me in Tagalog, and I do all house chores, washing, ironing, cleaning all around, and sometimes gardening and taking care of newborn baby.
Okay. So you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby, right?
Yes,
Okay. So you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby.
yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will give the milk if the baby is maybe the baby is hungry, and check the head of the baby if the baby is there's a fever, and always check the diaper if there's a pee or poop.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything that you can, what will you do?
I will call the madam and sir.
Okay, and what will you say to your madam and sir?
Madam, I check the temperature of the baby. Maybe the fever is not good. Uh, I don't know what to do. Please help me to do it. To help me to how to
Okay,
do it.
you ask help for
I
your
will.
employee. Okay, that's the right thing you should do because maybe the baby you don't know what to do to the baby because there's something about the baby or there's a problem that you don't know.
Yes,
Okay, so you have to ask. Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because the salary is higher, and I want to experience a lot, and I want to give a good future to my family.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants me or need me.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but willing to learn.
Okay, and how will you learn?
I will watch to YouTube, and and uh, always look to the books,
Like cookbooks.
cookbooks.
Okay, and you could also ask your madam and sir if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes,
Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir. I am.
It is okay to you to share jobs with a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Uh,
It is okay with you to work?
it is okay to me, sir, as long as they pay me.
Okay. Okay. It is okay to you to taking care of pets,
Maybe I'm not sure, sir.
but it is okay to you.
Yes, it is
You
okay to
can
me.
you can give it a try, right?
Okay.
Like a
Yes.
small dog, it's okay to you to take care of a small dog like Shih Tzu. It is okay to
Yes,
you.
yes.
Okay. How about taking care of elderly?
To be honest, sir, I'm not okay with that because I have
You
an
don't have any experience
yes,
taking care
yes.
of
I
elderly.
have experience here in Manila. They always mad at me.
But maybe the other elderly, but sometimes there's an elderly who are joyful. There are elderly who also have you have to help them to walk, but have compassion with those employer helper, right? Maybe it
I
is
will
okay
try,
to
sir. I will try.
it's right. Okay. How about learning Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
I will.
It
If
is
the
okay to you to learn their
yes, I
language.
am. I am. I'm
Okay.
okay.
My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
My message to you, ma'am, sir. I hope you hired me because Even though this is my first time to apply in Hong Kong, I promise to you, I guarantee that I am very hardworking, and I will taking care of your kids as my second child.
Okay. Can you also promise to follow the rules and regulations of their house?
Yes, I will promise that.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss. You lead it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.